the Avengers, the X-Men, the Hulk, all of them, on an old typewriter I had. It was called a Remington Noiseless Portable. And I typed all those stories on that typewriter. And I kept that typewriter for years. And years ago, my wife, bless her, was in an argument with me, and she has a violent temper. And she said, "Oh yeah, you think so?" And she looked for something to break. She grabbed the typewriter, threw it on the floor, and broke into a million pieces. I have said to her, whenever I get mad at her, do you realize if you hadn't broken that typewriter, we could auction it off for a fortune, the typewriter on which all those scripts were written. I want to give her a guilt feeling, you see. Then she had an idea. She said, "Wait a minute, why don't we go to an antique store, and why don't we buy an old Remington Noiseless Portable and say this is the typewriter?" And I said, "Because I have a big mouth and I've told the story how you broke it." So I'm as dumb as anybody. Last time I'll mention her, unless I think of something else.
And I'm sure he will.